The purpose of this video is to show our new support portal, how to find it, and how to send us some tickets. So scroll down to Go Studio. Once you're in Go Studio, you'll select the Support Portal tab. If this is the first time you've come to the support portal, we highly recommend subscribing. This will allow you to receive email notifications anytime we message you or there's an update on your ticket. No need to select this middle one. That's just for internal purposes. Select the top and bottom one, hit Save Preferences. And then to send us a ticket, all you need to do is type in your message here. Include your name and phone number for the ticket. And if this is like a conversation issue, you can always include screenshots as well. And then go ahead and hit Send. Once that's sent over, our support team will jump in, create a task out of this, and you'll see all active tasks pop up here on the right-hand side. And then any tasks that have already been worked on or are completed will be visible here. You can also filter for completed, and you'll find all of those there. If you have any questions about this, definitely reach out and let us know how we can help. Thank you, and have a great day.